so it'll be interesting to see how quick this car is. I'm talking maybe 1,950, not too sure.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode on 5-Star Cars. I'm back. I know it's been a while, it's been around 2 weeks. I've been very busy. I just haven't gotten a chance to make videos and posts, so I do apologise. But I'm going to be posting maybe nearly every day now because I probably have to step isolate for 2 days. Yeah, look, it happens. What can you do? So yeah, there's going to be a lot of content coming out. If you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community, and we will be doing vlogs. But the main goal for this channel is obviously to get a project car. But I can't do this without you guys, helping the channel grow, watching the videos, liking. And guys, I want you to comment in the comments section below. I will write back to you, and this is what we're here to do, is to discuss and what's going on. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions, so do write below. Don't be shy. Even better, give the video a like. And yeah, sure, look, that's everything, what I've been up to. So we're going to jump straight into today's episode. We're going to be covering basically all the big hitters, DDs, Stradman, B's for Build, a few others. So we'll just jump straight into it. First on the list is going to be Stradman. Obviously, I'm playing catch up because I was away. I'm playing catch up on a lot of the stuff that's been going on. Obviously, James has been very busy. So the main topic on James today is he has finally twin turboed his Gallardo. We haven't seen dyno runs of it yet. It's pretty sweet. His video previously to that, he's obviously in Chicago at the moment. But one thing that came up when he was doing his previous video, he did spot an unbelievable Regera. It was a carbon weaved red Regera. It'll come up here. Oh my god! I mean, if you get to know me, Regera is my number one car. Any Wire would be my number 2 car. This Regera though, it's just so sweet. It does the colour and the weave. Man, if I was Manny Koshman, this would probably be one car I'd be going for if I had that kind of money. But yeah, it was just a sick car to see because I've never seen a Regera like that before. And James obviously killing him, getting the best content, and him going around all the different garages to see him getting some ideas for his house, which is pretty cool because he's going to do some crazy ideas. He's definitely got the money to do it. But going back to his twin turbo Gallardo, again, very interesting figures. Here's a quick clip of the car revving. It doesn't sound super loud, but I'll let you have the opinion on this. There you go, guys. What you think? Comment below. What you think kind of power figures it's going to get. I have no idea. I don't know who these guys are. These using in Chicago. Supposedly he was in the Audi R8 as well, and it was doing 1,200 horsepower, and it was supposed to be a beast. So it'll be interesting to see how quick this car is. I'm talking maybe 1,950, not too sure. Just guessing while guessing. Guess below if you want. But yeah, and then obviously we have his hypercar coming to the channel as well. He just kills it on the views and his fun videos. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what power figures the Gallardo's going to get. I can't wait to see it finished. It'll be very, very interesting. So yeah, we'll move on to the next people. Or the next person. So the next person is going to be TJ Hunt. Yes, guys, TJ Hunt, if you've watched obviously his channel and know what's going on, his rap on the Aventador. So what do I think? Nardo Grey. Now I did say, I can't remember which video I said it in, I did say if he was going for a dull colour, I did say Nardo Grey, which is one colour I did say I think he was going to go for if he was going to go dull. If he was going to go bright colour, I personally opinion, again, anybody watches, Tiffany blue on Jeffree Star said up there with probably one of my favourite colours at the moment. I would love to see that Tiffany blue on the car, but he did say obviously colour to Sabrina in his video and she didn't like it, so I don't like the dark green, racing green. I'm not a fan of it. I'm into bright colours. But the Nardo Grey did look absolutely sweet, and it was a pity he got a lot of orange peel and it was a defected wrap. But let me know in the comments below, did you like the Nardo Grey? Should he go with another Nardo Grey, or do you want him to go with bright colour? I hope he stays with the Nardo Grey. I really like it with the yellow calipers, and if he goes a bright colour, I don't know. You know, I mean, I'm not too sure. Like it's his Aventador, and obviously he gets to drive around a 600 LT while he's waiting. So lucky guy. Yeah, sure. Look, let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of TJ Hunt's decision, and what colour should you keep it, Nardo Grey or not. Next on our list is DDE. Oh God, we have a lot to cover in DDE. Where do we start with DDE? So first of all, I would say Lambo issues, guys. The amount of money was pumped into the Murcielago and the Huracan now at the moment. So I think the first one was the Huracan. Yeah, so it's not driving straight. He's saying when he's doing pulls or when he's driving it around, it's seeing if it goes one way, it wants to go the other way. Now, I'm no mechanic and not that great in cars. I'm presuming, this is just a wild guess, I'm presuming something's either bent in the steering rack or the offset or something like that is maybe slightly bent or twisted, or something just feels like it's because the car has so much power. There's something inside there that's causing it not to steer straight at all. No, what it is, again, no idea, guys. Comment below what you think it might be. Just a wild guess for me. Obviously, that's the first issue, and then the second issue is the Murcielago. When the guys in LA put in the new clutch disc and the housing and stuff, doesn't look like it was, let's say, clocked right, I think he was remember saying, or if it wasn't put together correctly and it's giving a bit of vibration. But these guys that he's with, do look like they know their stuff and will probably get it fixed. It's a small issue, but a major one to fix, as he said. And yeah, look, once he gets this 100% right, he isn't selling the Murcielago. He's right too. I wouldn't sell that car for love nor money. No matter how much issues you have, I definitely wouldn't sell it. I love that car too much. But obviously the 720S is coming along absolutely beautiful. Vorsteiner, if I had the money and if I had a 720S or any car that does Vorsteiner carbon parts, hands down they do some of the sickest carbon parts out there. The wing is unbelievable, the hood, the front lip. I'm just going to give you a quick clip of the 720S here now, just so you can see it. It looks absolutely amazing.
Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. Boom.
Damn, man. Look at that. Oh, yes. Vorsteiner carbon. And this is the piece that came around, that there was no carbon from right here all the way over here. This is all part of that front lip. And then this front lip now comes out. It's extended further. You can actually see how it is going past the nose a little bit. Man, it's so much more aggressive looking.
So yeah, guys, there you go. I hands down love it. I mean, perfect mods for the car. White and carbon always go. Sounds sick. Just he's modding it right. He's modding it the way I would like to mod it, picking all the right parts. I love the way the carbon goes up along the side of the bumper and extends out a bit more. The exhaust for me is a bit kind of but it still suited. The wing is absolutely beautiful. And yeah, I mean, look, guys, we can all wish to have a 720S one day, and I just think the mods he's putting on them, DD, are killing it, and that's why they get so many views. So let me know what you think of the mods below, and what way you think the build is going. I'm pretty happy, and just can't wait to see what he does next to the car. Who's next on our list? B is for builds, right? So I'm going to try and cover both of the last two episodes in this one. Obviously, first is Kyle with his BMW when they were doing the cheap mods and getting some more power out of it. This is what I love about B's for Build. What they do basically is when they're modding cars, I love the way they break it down and actually you see how they're installing it, and they actually explain what it does. It's very in depth. That's what I think I've learned more about cars on B's for Build than I have really any other channel, and probably tavarish. But the mods they've done, it's great. It's if you had one of those cars and you weren't too sure about what mods you want to do, well, there you go. They've just literally showed you some mods you can do for that type of car. I think it got around 405 brake horsepower with ethanol in it, which is pretty good numbers. Like, I mean, I won't complain if I was getting those numbers in the car. And then obviously, I think Kyle's BMW looks sick with that white arch kit. Not liking the wheels, but the rest of it is pretty sick. And I must say, some good work by them and some good numbers. But moving on to Oscar's 67 Mustang build, I hope to God he's painting this thing. He's not leaving it like that whatsoever. I love the wheels on the car. The wheels really do suit it. They're actually lovely. I'm a bit about the rear spats. You can say I'm not liking them at all. Looks a bit off. Side skirts are fine. Love the headlights. Love the rear lights on it. Interior looks really nice as well. Love what he did with the door panels. But please God, like if it was me, I would hope that he would maybe give it like a nice shiny gloss black with grey stripes. I think it would really suit it because of the gold wheels. But definitely hope he doesn't leave it like that, because it would just be such a waste. But what colour he's going to go, I don't know. Comment below what you think of the 67 Mustang, what colour he should paint it, what mods do you like, don't like. But I mean, it's pretty nice. I'm pretty impressed by it, just as long as he sprays it correctly. Last on our list, guys, is Goonzsquad. So these guys have been up to, I haven't seen any of their episodes in ages. The last one, I think I started watching them today. I see that they're trying to get the Supra out of limp mode, but the big news is, as we can see, is they've got a new headquarters. They won the land they purchased first. They're having a lot of permit issues. It looks like that's going to take ages to get a unit there and get everything up and running. So they've gone and purchased another piece of land up in the forestry mountains, and they've done some amount of work on it. I can't wait to see this get finished. And I must say, you know, here you go. Check out the video. Look at this views in the house that they have.
I welcome you to the brand new Goonzsquad headquarters.
So guys, what do you think? Are you happy with their new purchase for their new HQ? I mean, the possibilities to have is endless. It looks like the way it's leveled is there's the house here, there's a level below it, and I think another level going off down that. So I think it's like 1, 2, 3, because they have 5 acres each level. And they basically are going to be, what way they're going to do it, I don't know. The inside of the house has to be made. They're going to have to probably make a garage out there. I'm presuming this is going to be done and finished before the unit that they bought down below is going to be done. No idea. But you know, these guys are going to make something sick and crazy. You know, all their builds have been done so far, and a lot of people have been asking them for the update on the new HQ and what's going on. And I love these kind of series. I love watching and seeing what these YouTubers do. Obviously they have the money to do this, but it's cool to see them. You know, I love watching a rebuild series on a house and property and stuff like that. But great to see them get a new HQ. Cannot wait to see what they do. Comment below what you think you want them to do, or what you think of the new property they're after getting. I love it. Great purchase, and I can't wait to see what else they come out with in the next episode. So that is it, guys. Sorry for the long one. I had to do a lot of catch up with these episodes. I will be posting tomorrow. Don't know what time, but definitely will be posting tomorrow. So if you watch to the end, thank you very much. Do consider subscribing. Do hit the like button if you don't mind. And yeah, thanks for watching to the end again. So peace out. We'll chat you in the next episode. Stay safe and bye.